Hello friends, welcome back to another video. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Avatar Frontiers of Pandora from the Ashes game crashing, not loading, not launching, lagging, freezing, black screen or other issues on Xbox. So let's go through the methods. The very first method is to restart the game. For that, select your game from home screen. Now press menu button on controller, then select quit. Finally, restart your game and then check if the issue is fixed. If not, next method is to clear persistent storage. This will help you to clear the cached data. For that, open settings and choose device and connections, then click on Blu-ray. Now select persistent storage and then select clear persistent storage. Next is to check internet connection. Now open Xbox menu. For that, select settings, choose network settings, then click on test network connection. Wait for some time to complete and then check if everything is working fine. If not, next is to perform a power cycle. For that, press and hold Xbox button for 10 seconds unless it gets switched off. Now unplug power cord from console for 1 minute. Next, plug in console again and switch on your Xbox by pressing the button. If not, next is to check for the game update. So you should ensure the game is updated and is not outdated. The developers of the game often releases patches to deal with several kinds of bugs or other issues to improve performance. So make sure you check if there is an update available, and after updating the game, check if the issue is fixed. If not, next method is to clear cache of Avatar Frontiers of Pandora from the Ashes game. For that, press Xbox guide, click on My Games and Apps, tap on See All. Here search for Avatar Frontiers of Pandora from the Ashes game, then press Menu. Now choose Manage Game and Add-ons, then tap on Save Data, click on Reserved Space, and finally tap on Clear Reserved Space, and then check if everything is working fine. If not, next is to remove and re-add account. For that, press Xbox button to open guide. Now click on Settings under Profile and System, then go to Account, click on Remove Accounts. Here choose the account to remove, then select a remove option. After that, add the account again and then check if the issue is fixed. Next method is to check for Xbox updates. Make sure your Xbox console is updated to latest and not running on outdated version. First, open settings on your Xbox, then select system and then select updates. Here check if any update is available and then click on it to begin the updating process. Once done, launch the game and check. If not, next is to check storage space. For that, press Xbox button, then go to Profile and System, then click on Settings, then click on System, then click on Storage. Here check whether there is available space or not, or else delete some unused apps or games to create space. Next is to reinstall Avatar Frontiers of Pandora from the Ashes game. For that, press Xbox button controller, then move to My Games and Apps, then select See All. Here select Avatar Frontiers of Pandora from the Ashes game, then press Menu button, then select Uninstall. Now after the game is removed, open Avatar Frontiers of Pandora from the Ashes official website and download the game, and after that try to play it and check whether it's working or not. If not, then the final solution is to contact support. So when nothing works, then it's time to take help from the support team. Go to the Xbox support and tell them the issue you are coming across. You can raise a ticket to let them know about the error. They will better guide what to do, or else they will try to resolve it from their end and you can be into the game once again. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.